Navigating the waters of the graphic arts business is more challenging than ever. Competition is tough. Price wars, shorter run lengths, and the demand for faster turnaround time all mean reduced profit margins and the need to improve productivity. In addition, customers are going digital, communicating via the internet and using mobile devices so they can communicate with print providers from almost anywhere on the globe. Applications are growing more complex, and customers want to target their marketing campaigns using variable data for personalization. They want to measure the customer satisfaction, the success of their marketing initiatives, and they want to ensure they achieve their ROI targets. With all of these changes and trends, print equipment salespeople and print providers need to become more knowledgeable. They have to know more about how work flows through a shop and how various solutions can improve processes and increase profits. Print providers also want to know how they can integrate new capabilities into their current processes. This course can help you understand the challenges, the products, and the opportunities for workflow improvement. Before we dive into the topic, let's talk about what a workflow is. Workflow can be described in many different ways, so let's start with a basic definition. A workflow consists of the people, processes, technology, and the strategy for how they fit and work together. It's the flow of a print job from an idea through composition, pre-press, print, finish, and distribute. Many print providers have a workflow that's a Rube Goldberg or a Kluge workflow. It just grew from a basic offset workflow or an initial copy and print digital workflow into a mix of processes. Some have varying degrees of automation. But print providers need to be efficient and ensure quality output to remain profitable. Many print providers are not sure or don't know where to take the next step or where it will lead. We can help. Color consistency, predictability, and repeatability are workflow topics that generate the most calls to support centers for assistance. So we'll take an in-depth look at how the variables in a color workflow impact these color attributes. We'll help you understand and analyze the elements of a workflow and their interaction, so you can discuss effective workflow solutions with your customers. We'll also take a look at a workflow from a productivity and business perspective. We'll help you identify each of the steps in a typical workflow and where you can recommend solutions to be integrated into the current process for improvement. Although there are similarities in workflow, each shop is unique. So we'll cover all the basics of a generic workflow, and then we'll tell you where to look for differences. We'll take a look at each step and discuss the people and processes in that step. You'll soon be able to identify workflow areas of opportunity for your customer and profit opportunities for you. Another trend today is self-sufficiency. Online shopping continues to set record highs. Customers take more control, not only on the internet, but also at the checkout and at the bank. More and more transactions are performed by the customer with no interface interaction with the product or service provider. This reduces the cost for the supplier, and it provides the customer with flexibility for time as well as payment and tracking. The setup for customer self-sufficiency is not without its challenges, but it can provide additional customer care and communication, which leads to customer loyalty. So it's definitely worth the conversation and the effort. Let's take a look at one example. This graphic illustrates a web-to-print solution. The customer's document is created at their location and uploaded via the internet to the print provider. It is then estimated, planned, and scheduled. Next, it is pre-flighted and the customer is sent a soft proof via the internet. The customer can approve and pay for the order in a secure online website. They can also track the completion and shipping of the job. Some systems include variable data printing, and other systems allow the print provider to also market other items such as mugs and office supplies. Customers can store templates at the print provider website and enable employees or their customers to order online and feel confident the branding is consistent and the payment process is secure. Join us to learn more about it.